So this is exactly how I'm able to use my PlayStation 5 controller here on my PlayStation 4, as you can see. So what I had to do firstly is to get one of those USB-C and regular USB cable here, as you can see. So this side right here, this one needs to go into the controller. So this side right here needs to go to one of those Wingman Converter P5 adapter, it's called. You can see that it works both on PS5 and PS4. So this adapter works like magic. So basically what I had to do is that I have to take the USB end here and insert it right here. And then what I'm going to do after that, I'm going to insert it into my PlayStation here. And then just click on this button right here to be able to turn on the controller. Now when it's turned on, you can see what's gonna happen. You can see now I'm able to use the controller without any problems whatsoever on my PlayStation here. So yeah, you can see. You can see it works perfect here for me. And by the way, if you want to be able to get this specific Wingman P5 adapter here, as you can see, I have left a link for it down below. And yes, it is an affiliate link. And if you want to be able to support me, I would appreciate if you could buy from that link, obviously. I do earn a small commission from it at no extra cost to you though, just so you know.